Despite being able to jump to a height of 3.5 meters from a standing start, the young female still hasn't eaten. The lone caracal looks for the entrance to this hive of activity. But the wily weaver birds have been careful to create openings to the nest below. The caracal investigates to see if this straw house has an opening at the top, maybe a chimney or a vent. There's no way in, not even for an acrobatic cat. Worse still, the thatched roof is claw-resistant. Missed again. She is exhausted and suffering from hunger and thirst. Time is running out. The young female is forced further into exile, far from these inaccessible creatures.